Hello and welcome back. In this very quick video, we're going to see how to activate or connect the Google Authenticator. Yes, this app allows us to add more security to our accounts. So let's get right into the video. We open our Binance app. In the top left, we see the following icon. We're going to select it. Let's click on Binance Pro. Otherwise, if Binance Live appears, we will not do anything. We're back to this section. If an icon that says security doesn't show up, we're going to click on more services and scroll down to where it says security. In this part, we're going to select the Authenticator app. Then we click on activate, copy this code, and then we're going to go to the Play Store. In our App Store, we search for Google Authenticator. It's this app. Do we install it? We can choose the email associated with our Binance account. Now we select the plus sign at the bottom right. We click on Enter Setup Key. The internal name is how we can identify which app it is, since we can have multiple accounts here. I'm going to name it Binance. Then we're going to paste the key. I'm going to leave it just like that based on time. We click on Add and it will show up every so often a 6-digit number, which is what it's going to ask us for in case of security. Now the next step is to confirm this code. So we're going to copy it and quickly go back. We click on Next, paste this code, and then we click on Send. We now have this two-step authentication security method added. So that's all for this video. Can you tell me in the comments, how does it work for you? Remember that you can give me a like and subscribe if it helps you in any way, and also share the video. And until next time, take care, bye.